So guys, welcome back to Clutch Channel YouTube channel. So got a video, got the home. I decided to get it towed up to the shop so I can replace the brake lines on it. Didn't want to take no chances with it. So this video we're gonna be replacing the brake lines. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, so look like my leaking brake line is right here. It's like it's corroded pretty good. Right in that clamp, one of those. So I guess I'll get the replacement. Unbox my kit. See what all the lines I have. Y'all, so one thing led to another. Long story short, I couldn't get the fins loose in the ABS module, so I'm having to take it out. I had to take the running board out so I can get to the bolts on the bracket. Now I'm taking the fins loose that I can get loose. Then I'm gonna cut the rest of them. finally got the ABS module out. Didn't want to cut the lines, but I had to do what I had to do. So, I think that deserves a break. Alright y'all, so starting to pull the brake line off the back now. Got the front about in. All up. And all the way to the front, up to the master cylinder. Just got them in place. Hadn't hooked up all my clamps yet. I'm gonna start on the back. I don't know.
Why I like when we call a hood open?
Granddad was looking at something.
You still want to look at it?
Yeah.
I want to look at the motor on it. And I want to see how it... Yeah, how do you open it good? How? How do you open
Y'all done? Y'all get this?
Yep. I'm gonna put it right. I have to dump that first. It may fall out.
This right here show what condition the brake lines was in. It was bad shape.
Like a tall truck.
Alright. Pump the brakes.
Huh?
Pump it.
Daddy, I'm gonna get the football.
When I say pump, just keep going up and down until I tell you hold them down.
Dad,
Keep pumping.
Dad, can you open the trunk?
Push as hard as you can. Up.
Yeah, but that's how you break the brake.
It ain't gonna break.
That's what I do.
Alright, hold it down.
Dad.
Hold it till I tell you stop.
Dad, can I?
Pump it up and down. It's getting harder. Alright, hold it down. You got it? You got it down?
Yeah. I'm doing it.
Cause we gotta get it out of the brake. Pump it. Down. Hold it down. Hold it down.
Oh, shake.
Don't match the gas. Don't match the other. Match the gas. Down. Up. Down. Up. Down.
Yes.
Up. Down. Hold it down hard as you can, okay?
Shake.
I let it up.
Now,
Down. Up. Down. Up.
down.
Let it come all the way up. Down. All right, hold it. Up.
Now,
Hold on. Alright, y'all, so we got the brake lines on. Test drove it. Everything seemed good.
what's that? Hey, take a bit.
We'll keep working on it.
G,
Next video,
GMC.
we gotta put the
Yeah, baby.
runner back on
Dad, can I make the video?
and mount up.
Dad, can I make the video? Can I make some of the
Stay
video?
tuned.
Dad, can I make some of the video?